Hey there, my friend. Welcome to today's video on the best home workout plans for women's weight loss. My name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. I'm the founder here at the Fit Mother Project, and my team and I, we're the health and weight loss experts for busy moms in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s. And in today's video, I'm gonna break down exactly what you should do every day of the week with a simple at-home workout plan to help you lose weight, reduce your belly fat, tone up your legs, your arms, and really start seeing fast results this week. So let's get straight into it. What I want to do is actually lay out a Monday through Sunday kind of schedule and give you an idea on what are the important things to focus on. And I also have links below in the comments and in the description to actual workouts that give you the step-by-step, rep-by-rep workouts that you can do at home with minimal equipment that will get you seeing results. The purpose of this video, what we're going to cover is actually the schedule, so you know how to slot in these workouts into your routine. So the first principle I want to talk to you about before we get into the weight loss is there is not a single workout that's going to work for you if you're not eating healthy. There is a really big myth that we can go out exercise a bad diet. It's just not true. So when I laid out the schedule, the first thing I want you to note is I said healthy eating. We got to get you on a healthy weight loss eating plan, and that means you're enjoying simple, healthy foods on a nice schedule that you can actually keep with that works for you and your family. If you need help with that, check the description and check the comments below. We have a free Fit Mom Jumpstart that gives you an actual meal plan, exactly what to eat. It's 100% free. We'll send that straight to your email. And we have other videos around the channel talking about healthy eating and the best weight loss diet plan for busy women. So that is number one. If you feel like you don't have that in check, no workout advice that we're gonna cover from this point on is actually gonna help you. Now, number two, is a lot of women, when they're actually trying to lose weight, they think that the best thing to do is to start to do these complex workouts. And that's not actually what the research shows. The best kind of exercise, the baseline exercise you need is daily walking. And I really mean this. With a healthy diet and getting 30 minutes of daily walking as your baseline, you can start to lose weight consistently every week, get your body feeling better, reduce some of the aches and pains, and actually get your energy levels higher so you feel motivated to do more aggressive and more complex and more advanced workouts. So daily walking and healthy eating are really like the foundations. And so I want you to set the target every single day to ask yourself, did I check my daily movement box? Did I get a 30-minute walk in at least once per day? And if you can only get 3 10-minute walks in, that's great too. But those two things are more important than the formal workouts we're about to talk to you about in just a second. So the next thing on this list is, once we have the daily walking and healthy eating in place, is a type of exercise called metabolic resistance training. And what MRT, metabolic resistance training, is combining some of the best strength training exercises for women, like squats, deadlifts, rows, shoulder presses, and we do these in a circuit with no rest in between. So we might grab a pair of like 10 to 15 pound dumbbells, and we'll do some squats, and then we'll do some curls, and then we'll do some shoulder presses, then we'll do some rows, and then we'll rest. And then we'll repeat that circuit 3 to 5 times. That is the best kind of MRT workouts. And again, linked in the description, I actually have a full MRT workout where I demonstrate everything for you, set by set, rep by rep, and it's at home, it's simple. All you need is a pair of dumbbells or kettlebells, and I want you to be doing that around 2 times per week. If you can only get it once, that's totally fine, but I think a great way to do the MRT workouts is, you know, you have your healthy eating and daily movement every single day, is to spread out those MRT workouts, one earlier in the week, one later in the week. Why? Well, after an MRT workout, like you see in the comment in the description below, we have a free one for you, you get a metabolic boost for around 24 to 48 hours. So if you do it on Monday, your metabolism's elevated on Tuesday and a little bit into Wednesday. And if you do it on Thursday, then your metabolism's elevated through the weekend. So this is a way you can do a little pulse of exercise that's gonna give you benefit for the rest of this week. And MRT workouts are way better than traditional cardio because you get this metabolic boost. But if we combine MRT workouts with some cardio workouts, that's when we have a truly amazing workout plan, an amazing weight loss schedule for you. So 1 to 2 MRT workouts per week, and then we're gonna wanna do 1 to 2 cardio days per week. And when it comes to cardio, we have 2 options. We can either do something called low intensity steady state cardio, LISS, or high intensity interval training, HIIT. You may see these terms online, LISS, HIIT. So low intensity steady state is like you and I, we go for a walk and we can talk to one another. Or we use the elliptical machine, or we walk on a treadmill, or we ride a bike at a pace where we're not gasping for air. We can kind of have a conversation. Those workouts are great. I want you to be doing that. If you do a LISS style workout, for around 30 to 45 minutes is a perfect session. And that is a beautiful way you can do any kind of exercise you want, whether it's swimming, hiking, going for the walk, biking, etc. And then the other type of workout that you could choose for your cardio days is HIIT, high intensity interval training where you do a burst of activity as hard and fast as you can for like 30 seconds. And then you have like a 1 minute recovery period. So it might be if you're riding a bike, for example, you bike really hard for 30 seconds, then you kind of cruise for around 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then you repeat that as many times as you want. Or let's say you're walking. So you're walking really fast. You go into a run maybe for like 30 seconds, and then you walk for 30 seconds to 1 minute. These are how you do these HIIT style workouts. Both of them are incredibly effective. They both have research that they're very effective for weight loss, for muscle building, for all the great things. It's just up for you which one you want to pick. And what I'd suggest is that you do your cardio workouts in between your MRT workouts. So let's say you do an MRT workout on Monday, and you might want to do a cardio day on Tuesday or Wednesday. And then you do another MRT workout on Thursday, and you do another cardio day on Friday or Saturday. Maybe you get outside with your family and do something fun over the weekend. So that is a very simple schedule. You know, if you do, that's like 4 exercise sessions per week. Each session, the MRT workouts and the cardio only takes 30 minutes. So we're talking about like 2 hours of exercise per week, plus some daily walking and some healthy eating, and you can lose all the weight that you want with that schedule, and I truly mean that. We have women inside our Fit Mother 30X program that actually gives you the exact workouts and all the stuff that have lost over 100 pounds using this schedule, working out 2 hours per week doing this schedule setup. So the point here is that we have these actual workouts for you. They're pinned below in the description and in the comments. You can check those out. Of course, you can also get that free Fit Mom Jumpstart that gives you our meal plan and workouts. We'll send that all straight to your email. But I want you to understand the schedule, and I want you to plan it out ahead of time. I want you to look at your week ahead, and it's like, when am I doing my MRT workouts this week? When am I doing my cardio workouts, and what type are they gonna be? Have a little simple plan like this, put them in the schedule, get them done, and you're gonna start seeing results. I promise you that. So I hope you found this valuable. Again, check the description in the comments below for links to all these videos. I will show you how to do these workouts set by set, rep by rep, at home with minimal equipment, but the schedule is really the key. We gotta get you on the proper schedule so you know what you're doing, you have a structure you can follow, it'll help you stay motivated, and it'll help you see consistent results. So thank you for being here, my friend. Check the description for those free workouts below. And if you found this valuable and you're not subscribed to our Fit Mother Project channel, hit that subscribe button. We are releasing new videos every single week. We have a couple hundred videos already across our Fit Mother and our Fit Father Project channels showing you workouts, showing you the healthy meal plans, teaching you how to get and stay motivated, and helping you live healthy for your family and getting your kids healthy too. So thank you for being here, my friend. Check those descriptions below. Subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button because it really helps this video get into the YouTube algorithm and get lots of views. And that'll help spread the message to other women like you who want to live healthy. And that's our mission here at the Fit Mother Project. So thank you, my friend. Check the description below for those free workouts. I'll see you around the channel, and I'll talk to you very soon.